Yeah, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, these are pretty cool. These
old or something.
What? Don't scare me like that.
Yeah, the building. Well, I didn't do it. The building moved. Seemed like, didn't it?
Oh, look at this little room. What's that thing in there? What the? It's been like a wall put there or some kind for some reason. That could be a coal chute maybe, you know. So this floor should be solid theoretically, right?
This looks like concrete.
Yeah. Okay, we have an old sewer here. Hello, sewer. What's going on? Nothing's going on.
This over here, Bill.
Yeah, yeah. Ooh, I just slipped in some shit there.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, what's in here?
Oh, probably some asbestos for us. I'll go in there in just a second. Watch out for stuff hanging down.
Yeah, don't touch it, man. Okay, here's an old another old bathroom here. It's seen better days, obviously. Still got a roll of toilet paper on there. And plumbing. Once again, a mirror here. And floor. Wonder if this light switch works. Oh, not today. Okay. There's an old time door here, not an exit it says, or not a exit. On this pipe rack here. So that's probably part of the original build. Oh, this is the furnace. Okay. I assume this is the furnace. Yeah. There's a hole right up there that any person could almost fall through right there. It needs to be patched up. See that? Yeah, this is a pretty cool little metal thing here. And I can kind of look in there a little bit and see what's going on in there. Wow. Oh my God. Well, there's a decorative glass panel up there in that little patio area up above us there. And continuing along here. Now we'll have a look at the front. This is where you fed the coal in, I imagine, into this big old furnace here. I got this old coal boiler here, buddy, or some kind.
Yeah.
Oh, look at these glass ceiling things here. Ain't that neat?
Look at that.
That's good. Got to be sealed up where that hole is, you know.
Is there a year on that newspaper?
Let me see here. Okay, seamless post dispatch.
This is the newer version.
Yeah.
2022.
Yeah, that
Must have
is.
blown in
Yeah,
up there.
because that's
Must have
pretty
blown
new.
in.
Yeah, 22. I thought it'd be like 1822.
Taste the air in here. Oh man, look, another old record player, Bill.
Is it
Some
really?
fuel oil chair, and then some old. If you had an allergy to mold, you would not be.
Yeah,
protected in
this is the place to go. You know?
Yeah. Tell you need what?
I don't see any visible dust, so
No.
just watch out for that. But,
Look at those old wooden chairs, Bill.
yeah,
They say something on them.
yeah, check those out.
Look, they're numbered. No number.
Yeah, I mean, if they're original to the theater, they could be fixed up. You know what I mean? Some carpenter guy can
Yeah.
refurbish them, and that's kind of a neat thing to have, I guess.
All right.
So yeah, gosh. Okay, let's have a look at these chairs. Yeah. Yeah. Number 6. Oh, gosh. Okay, coming out of here. Okay, it looks like our tour's about over here, but this place needs some serious rehab work. Okay, coming out. Oh, here's a room over here.
Yeah, I filled in there pretty good.
Okay. Okay, here's another big room. It's a bunch of junk in here. Oh, yeah. Old stove.
And then there's another room up above me
Oh, is there?
where they just beamed down.
What were they doing? Beaming
There's
down?
another room up there. Or at least, look at
Yeah.
that beam. Weird.
Yeah. Yeah, there's some steel beam work down there to hold this place up. And
If there is a sub basement, you can't get to it from here.
what about up where the tower is? Is there access up to the
I
tower?
don't know.
Okay.
Now this is a commitment on your realtor's part to afford you a tour. These broken stairs up this cobbled lane. Oh Jesus! See, when you see,
Yeah, just that
you're
one.
showing houses and you got boards like this,
Yeah, that
you
one.
know you're good.
Yep.
You're in the commission zone, which is where you want to be. And as long as you're walk like real estate professional, these broken stairs shouldn't stop you at all from making a deal.
Okay, going back up.
Nothing should stop you.
Oh man, look at this collapse here with this step.
Possibility of.
Oh boy, hold on. Hold on, brother.
Got it, Bill?
I think I got it. I think I got it.
It'd be great if this place gets bought, repurposed by our customer.
That
Hey,
would-
look at that. The pipe. Look what's on the
Wait a
pipe.
minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute.
Look at that.
Oh yeah. What the hell?
It's all old 1910 newspaper.
Why the hell did they do that up there?
I don't know. Look, there's an advertisement for Lent beer right there.
Oh shit, yeah,
See that?
yeah.
Wonder if I here, hold my light, see if I can zoom in on it.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. Okay,
See it right there.
okay.
That
Yeah,
shows up
that's something valuable up there to have.
on- Look at that.
Have a newspaper from the Lemp days.
Advertising the beer.
Yeah. There's some old guy there. Looks like Spengler, actually, that guy. Wow.
It says, come, new shirt, waist.
Christian or Christmas?